Ray's Repair Zone. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a weed whacker spark arrestor. You take this screen out of your muffler and you can see it's carboned up here where the dark spot is. You can't see through it very well. You take a torch, I just have a butane torch, and you heat that up and you'll see that it'll burn off all the carbon and gunk that's in there, right? You heat it up red hot. You don't want to get too much and melt it. And then you take something and you give it a couple, knock it around a little bit with something that's not going to melt. I'm going to take this out of my vise here. I don't know if you could see now, it just makes an ash. It makes an ash out of itself. Okay, so I'm going to do it again down here. If it's not too hot to grab. If you look through it now, okay, can we see through it? It's not bad. It could be a little better than that. But it's just cleaning off all the residue and carbon. There, you can see that now. That gets plugged in there. What happens is you're going to have your machine isn't going to run as good. Sometimes it gets so bad it'll choke it right off and it won't run at all. So the best thing to do is clean that. Okay, now I'm going to take a little wire brush to it. Oh yeah, that's working good. So now you can see right through it. There you go. That should be good for a while. So what happens when your weed whacker starts running funny, not wanting to rev up fully, clean that up and it'll run perfectly. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again. Like, subscribe, give me a comment or two, whether you like it or not, whether I like it or not. Good or bad, that's what it is. Alright, see you again.